Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's demo. Imagine a world where AI agents collaborate seamlessly like a team of experts to tackle a complex task effortlessly. That's exactly what CrewAI framework enables. Over the next few minutes, I will showcase you a proof of concept app that demonstrates how multi-agent collaboration can transform process like lead generation by identifying prospects, analyzing market trends, and crafting a personalized outreach email, all with a minimal user input. So here is what we'll cover: an introduction to the CrewAI framework, CrewAI components, and demo of an application, and then architecture. So before we dive into how CrewAI works, let's start the quick overview. So CrewAI is a powerful framework designed to enable seamless collaboration between the AI agents. Each agent is specialized for a specific task such as data gathering, analysis, or content generation. These agents communicate and collaborate to break down a complex workflow into manageable, efficient steps. Think of it like a team of experts, each contributing their strength to achieve a common goal, whether it is automating a lead generation, or a customer support, or a market research. Crew AI simplify this whole process by allowing you to build and manage agent teams with ease. Now let's break down the steps to use CrewAI. So here is how you can build and execute a multi-agent workflow in just 3 steps. The step one, you have to create an agent, which is assigned a specific role and a backstory. That okay, you are a market research agent, you are a company research agent, you are agent which constructs an outreach email like that, or you are agent which performs a particular task. And then for each agent, when you define the task outlines what exactly and how that agent will perform its duty. Like you are giving clear prompt instructions, and task also includes any APIs agent will use to perform that particular task. You could have any intersectional APIs or fetching some data from database, or doing even any kind of calculation you want to do, maybe a custom code which has got all the calculations. All these things will go in the task definition. So once you have agent, once you have a task, you can just kick off those agents. Here you could have multiple patterns, like you can do sequentially where you have one agent executing, passing on the data to next agent, another agent is passing it to another agent. Or you could have something like a supervisor pattern, a hierarchical pattern, where you have a supervisor agent. This agent actually will allocates a task to all other agents. Like you have three agents, like an agent one, agent two, agent three. Agent one perform his task and report it back to supervisor agent. Agent two perform his task, report to supervisor agent. Now supervisor agent will take the outcome of these two tasks and pass it on to the agent three to do some other things. So you could have this type of a workflow also when you kick off the agents. Okay, before I jump onto the demo, I want to show you like what exactly the proof of concept I developed. So this app is for a salesperson to generate the leads. So I have three agents. One is a company research agent. What this agent will do is it will conduct a comprehensive research on target companies depending upon the user prompt. If user says I want retail companies or healthcare companies, it will just go and find all the companies. It creates a list of all the companies matching user prompt, and then pass on this data to the market trends agent. Now market trends agent is going to do the market research on these companies. It is going to analyze like what are the current market trends or any news about these companies in the recent times, and then it prevents its report of the market trends and the news on these companies. Now the data from these two agents is passed on to outreach agent, which creates a personalized outreach email for that particular customer. Okay, this is the three agents, and each agent has got a task, and each agent uses some APIs, external APIs. In my case, I'm using Perplexity as the APIs, Perplexity, API to go and get all the data about the market trends and all the company details. Okay, and now I'll show you the demo. In this demo, we are going to enter a prompt to generate the leads for a salesperson for a particular domain or a particular geography or particular product or maybe particular technology. To start with, I can say generate leads for the retail startups in California interested in AI. Now, when I click search, we have all the agents like analyzing the market trends or getting the company details and preparing outreach emails. These agents are working collaboration. They're passing on the data from one to another. The fetch company details agent is passing on the data to analyze the market trends agent. These two agents are passing the data to outreach email agent, which is generating outreach emails and then creating a specific outreach email for that particular company. That's why the email you see for Instacart is different from email for ThreadUp, because the emails are designed considering that company details, the market trends relevant for that company. So when we design the agent, we are saying first go and get all the companies which are retail startups in California who are actually doing or using any AI based products. Now we see what are the market trends which are relevant for this company. There are a lot of market trends, but we need to be very narrow down whether any trend or any news which is relevant for this company. Now these two in data is passed on to outreach agent. Now it is taking the data from these two agents and then actually building that customized email for that customer. So to do all the research in the backend, like getting the market trends or getting the company, I'm using Perplexity, but you can use any API like company API to get all the company details, or maybe a news API to get all the news, or maybe any Kaggle data sets which you have, if you have more, company data. Again, it's depending upon your requirement, your use case. You can build any, or maybe depending upon that particular product line you're working on or particular geography working on, you can use any API you want. So to summarize, it is that how these three agents are actually working in collaboration to give you the final output. Now, coming back to the architecture, it's kind of simple. Like you have a web UI, which is passing on all the prompt or the request to API layer, which is a fast API layer. And this API layer is actually invoking the CrewAI, it's doing the kicking off the CrewAI. CrewAI behind the scenes using OpenAI GPT-4 model and then Perplexity API. Like Perplexity, as I told, Perplexity API for all the company research and then market trends analysis, and then open API to do all that, creating emails and summarizing and creating outreach emails. So this is architecture. Yeah, again, thanks for watching this demo. I'm also having a GitHub repo, which is there in the description of this video. Please feel free to, fork the repo and then enhance it, and then happy to see like if you can add more tools, more APIs integrating with this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.